Slowly, very slowly. Tommy walks closer.
The bush is moving again. Tommy and Lily do not know what is hiding inside.
Tommy, did you hear that? Yes, someone is crying. Huh? A little bunny! Please, help me.
What is your name?
My name is Snow. Don't worry, Snow. We will help you find your family. Hello! Snow's family! No one answers. The forest is very quiet. Don't be afraid. We'll keep looking. Thank you.
Are you looking for a little bunny family?
Yes!
I saw white rabbits go that way.
Thank you!
The new path gives everyone hope.
Hello? Snow? That's my mommy!
Tommy, Lily, and Snow run toward the voices.
The friends follow the voices. A beautiful meadow appears before them.
Wow!
Snow!
Mommy!
Snow is home again. Thank you for helping our little Snow.
Please join our picnic.
Thank you! You are my best friends. We are always friends.
The friends enjoy a happy picnic together.
Huh? 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 What was that? Huh? Who is floating in the river?
Tommy and Lily are about to discover a new friend. In episode 3.
Thank you for learning and playing with us at AMK Tiny World. AMK Tiny World, sing and play. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next adventure.